Hello guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to download Instagram Reels on Android. If you're wondering that if you are able to download Instagram Reels or not, the short answer is yes, it's possible to download Instagram Reels. You can easily download your own Instagram Reels from your account to your smartphone. But if you're looking to grab the content from someone else's Instagram feed, you might have to use a workaround. Although you couldn't previously download Reels from the other users' public accounts using Instagram, native tools have started introducing this feature for use. So here's 4 methods to download Instagram Reels. 1. To download your own Instagram Reels, open Instagram, go to your account, navigate to the Reels tab, find the reel you want to save, then tap on it to open the video up in full screen mode. Hit the 3 dots in the bottom right corner to pull up the menu. Hit save to camera roll and the video will be automatically saved to your device. And if you're scrolling through IG feed and spot a video you like, you might need to record your screen in order to download the video. Just go to your settings or the shortcut menu on your phone, drop it down, click on screen record the video, and then end it, and you'll find the video in your screen recording folder. The next method is to use a third-party app. Using a third-party app can save you the fuss of trimming your screen recordings every time you download a reel. There are 3 suggestions we can give you as a third-party app to download Reels on Instagram. You have Reels Video Downloader for Instagram. You have AHA Save Video Downloader and ETM Video Download. Use these tools. All you have to do is to copy the link to the reel you want to download and paste it into the app, and you hit download button, and that's it. And if you're just looking to save the reel to watch later, just click on the save logo on the video and you will be able to find the reel later when you need. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you.